Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
First of all, to the Honorable Mr. Rizky Safril as the lecturer in the Kepemimpinan course. Well, on this occasion, we are from group 1, which consists of me, Widya Oktarina, as a moderator, Sofia Afni, Agil Effendi, and Wery Zaitul Amnah. We will explain about leadership with these various problems in the framework of leadership development or coaching. For the first explanation will be explained by Wery to Wery, please.
Thank you, moderator. Definition of leadership. According to what Josh Mijo, leadership is something inherent and leader in the form of certain characters such as personality, ability, and capability. Leadership as a series of leader activities that cannot be separated from the position and style of or behavior of the leader himself. It can be concluded that leadership is a science and art of influencing other or group to act as expected to achieve goal efficient and efficiently. Leadership development and coaching. Leadership development is important area implemented in organization to improve employee performance capability and several other benefits such as gaining competitive and advantage. Leadership development is as increase in the ability of employees to perform well. Thank you.
Okay, Wery. The next explanation will be explained by Agel to Agel, please.
Thank you, Widya. Problems in leadership in the context of leadership development are coaching. Number one, inappropriate leadership style. Leadership involves the style and behavior of a leader in directing others. If a leader has an authoritarian, uncommunicative, or inflexible leadership style, then the process of leadership development in the organization will be hampered because is it difficult to create an environment that supports participation and learning. Number two, lack of effective development programs. Leadership development includes education, training, and work empowerment. If the organization does not have a good training program or does not pay enough attention to leader development, then prospective leader will not have sufficient skill to face future challenge. Number three, lack of individual involvement in decision making. If a leader does not provide opportunities for team member to be involved in this process, they will not be accustomed to thinking critically and strategically, thus hindering the development of their leadership skill. Number four, lack of employee authorization and empowerment. According to Ulrich, Goldsmith, and Carter, work authorization and empowerment are important element in leadership development. However, in many organizations, leaders are still reluctant to give more responsibility to their subordinates for fear of losing control. This can hinder the growth of new leaders in the organization. Number five, ineffective communication. Poor communication is a common problem in leadership. Leaders who are ineffective at communication with their team can result in a number of problems. First, the team might not feel connected to the leader and might become dissatisfied. Second, the team might not be able to carry out its mission effectively because they do not have clear instruction from the leader. Overall, leadership problem with leader development often stem from a lack of support, ineffective leadership style, and limits of opportunities for individuals to learn and grow. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Agel. The next explanation will be explained by Sophia. To Sophia, please.
Thank you, Widya. Strategy for overcoming problem in leadership. Avoiding a style of a person or organization that tends to avoid conflict. Sensitive and patently conflict-causing matters and avoided as much as possible as not to cause open conflict. Accommodating this style collects and accommodates the opinion and interest of the parties involved in the conflict, then seeks a way out while still protecting the interest of the other party based on the input obtained. Next, compromising is a style of resolving conflict by negotiating with the conflicting parties so that it produces a solution middle way to the conflict that is mutually satisfying. Lose-lose solution. Competing means that the conflict parties compete with each other to win the conflict, and in the end there must be a party whose interests are sacrificed divided in order to achieve the interests of another party who is stronger or more powerful. Win-loss solution. Next, Widya. Collaborating. In this way, the conflicting parties will both obtain satisfactory results because they work together synergistically to solve the problem, while still respecting the interests of the other party. Insert the interests of both parties are achieved, resulting in a win-win solution. Conglomeration, mixture type. This method uses all five styles together in resolving the conflict. Thank you, Widya.
Okay, thank you, Sophia. And the conclusion is leadership is the art and science of influencing others to achieve common goals effectively and efficiently. In the process of developing it, there are various challenges such as important leadership styles, lack of training programs, minimal individual involvement in decision making, and effective communication. To overcome these problems, the right strategy is needed in managing conflict, such as avoiding conflict, accommodating interests, from compromising, completing, collaborating, or combining various approaches. With good leadership and the right strategy, organization can create an environment that support the growth of new leader and increase overall work and effectiveness. Okay. Well, that's all our explanation about leadership with this with its various problem in the framework of leadership development or coaching. Thank you for your attention. I end with wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.